Here at KERN, much of what we do is about precision. But how do we achieve precision anyway? We are convinced precision is achieved through agreement. Agreement to always keep track of tolerances. Agreement to not rest on what we do well, but to strive to do better. Agreement to achieve groundbreaking delivery times thanks to precisely coordinated processes. Agreement to not just allow digitalization and automation to happen, but to actively promote them. To preserve jobs and pass on repetitive tasks. Agreement to offer comprehensive on-site repair and calibration services for virtually all of our products. And agreement that even in the digital world, our interactions with our partners should always remain personal. We have strong roots and even stronger wings. Since 1844, we have promoted, shaped, and lived innovation for precision. With shared values, shared goals, and a shared vision. To promote precision in a wide range of areas. Precision through agreement. For over 180 years, we are KERN Sohn.